Welcome back to putting random things in my mini fridge. Let's see what the Doom thing looks like now. It's freezing. Right? I'll show you right now. No changes in the Doomling shape. Only the temperature of the Doomling changed. Wait, the Doomling looks kind of like an oval, not a circle. Do you see it? I think I disformed it. The form of Doomling execution. Mini fridge deformerator.